Discover a game-changing trick to farm gold like never before. Uncover hidden zones and optimize your design for a massive treasure haul.
Did you know there's a secret zone loaded with gold that most players miss? Head over to the northeast corner of the map, and boom, gold galore. This hidden treasure trove is your ticket to riches. Find it and start mining.
Want to move faster? Use ice blocks. These bad boys will have you zooming across the map quicker than ever. Just lay them down, hop on, and watch your speedometer skyrocket. More speed means more gold in less time.
It's not just about speed, your boat's design can make or break your farming run. Balance is key. Build a boat that's fast but can carry loads of gold. Use lightweight materials and a sleek design for the best results. Here's a little secret for you. Pump in the code GOLDMASTER 2023 at the start menu for a bonus stash of gold. It's like a cheat code for treasure. Double your loot and gain an edge over other players. Try it now.
Timing is everything. Dodge those pesky obstacles by timing your run just right. Keep your eyes peeled and your reflexes sharp. Avoiding obstacles means more time collecting gold and less time respawning. Become the ultimate gold farmer.
Now it's your turn to rake in the gold. Try these tricks in your next game, and don't forget to comment below with your results. If you love this video, hit that subscribe button for more epic Roblox secrets every day. Until next time, happy farming.